Back in the 60s, Corgi toys and Dinky toys were competing with each other to win over the hearts of kids all over the world. It was not sufficient anymore to have opening doors and trunks. They came up with all kinds of new features, like working steering, working lights and even working window wipers. Corgi was first with their transfer light system, which is what this model of the 1963 Buick Riviera is all about. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Can you see the front and tail lights light up as this Buick Riviera turns around on a turntable? That's Corgi's transfer light system. When parents and grandparents have two or more toy brands to choose from, you have to make sure that it was your toy that ended up under the Christmas tree. And since two British giants like Meccano's Dinky Toys and Mettoy's Corgi Toys were aiming at the same market of large-scale diecast cars, they went to great lengths to outclass each other in gadgets and features. Corgi first introduced their transfer light system in 1962 in the number 437 Superior ambulance. It was a fairly simple but effective use of physics that routed the light through prisms and transparent rods to make the lights glow, much like fiber optics today. In the ambulance, this produced the effect of the front and rear roof lights lighting up along with the battery-operated flashing roof beacon. Other transfer light models include the 441 Volkswagen Toblerone van, the 465 Camry pickup truck and the 252 Rover 2000. The Buick Riviera, which was introduced at the end of 1964, took the transfer light system one step further, being the first toy car with transfer light on the front as well as the rear lights. The specimen on the turntable is play-worn, with chipped paint, misty windows, rusty axles and crumbling tires. It's also missing its tow hook, which frankly wasn't very aesthetic on this otherwise very nice model. This model was produced in metallic gold and metallic blue, but I'm leaning towards a metallic blue paint job. So let's get the tools and give this model a factory reset. The Buick Riviera was Corgi's only model with Transolite lights on the front as well as the rear. At 6 years old, this model is showing its age, with crumbling tires, flaked paintwork and scratched up windows. It's virtually begging for restoration. I used light metallic blue and a black primer, which gives the color close to the original metallic blue. I sanded and polished the windows, rechromed the suspension including the front and rear bumpers and front grille, cleaned up the Transolite system and repainted the taillights transparent red. And of course the car received 4 new tires. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a like, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.